Hello everyone. In previous video, I explained you how we can get the sheet name from the closed Excel file. In this video, I will help you to understand how we can add sheets in Active Workbook from closed workbook. For that, I have created two workbooks whose name are opening macro and trial. Now, in each of this workbook, I have created three sheets and I've given some name, and in each sheet I have written something. Similarly, for the other workbook, three sheets have given some name to each of this sheet and have written something in each of this sheet. Now, both of this workbook I am keeping close and adding the worksheets of this workbook in third workbook whose name is book 1. So I am adding the worksheets of the other two workbook in this workbook whose name is book 1 and I am using the code which is written over here. So I will explain you this code by running it line by line. So first we are defining the parameters, then we are making screen updating as false, then we are getting the path from the user where the two Excel files are located. So we have to copy this path and paste it in here. Then this code line will look for the first Excel file that is there at the particular location that we have shared. Now this is a condition looping, so this will keep on looping till the last Excel file at a particular directory location that we have shared. Now this will open the close Excel file. So the opening macro Excel file is opened. Now we want to copy each of the sheet in opening macro to book 1. For that, first we have to calculate the total number of sheets that are there in book 1 and then we have to add the sheet from opening macro one by one. So first we are calculating the total number of sheets that are there in book 1 and then we are copying the first sheet of opening macro in book 1 and then next sheet. So this for loop will keep on going for three worksheets that are there in opening macro. And then it will close the opening macro workbook. And this code line will search for the second workbook at the particular directory location that we have shared and loop. And the similar operation will happen again. So it is opening the trial workbook, calculating the total number of worksheets. So here it will be 4 and so here it will be 4, one sheet that was already present in the book 1 and the 3 worksheets that we copied from opening macro workbook. And now we are copying the worksheet from the trial workbook one by one. And done. So we have successfully copied all the worksheets from the closed workbook. So sheet 1 is is copied, sheet 2 and sheet 3 from opening macro workbook, and Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday from trial workbook. Thank you.